Hi there, big boy.
I don't know if I can reach him or not.
Hi there, big boy. Holy crap.
Oh, Mommy, what are you doing? Go, because he's going to take it all. Go. Well, why don't you put your hand in and let it put it No, they said not to put your hand in. So
You're a pig.
That's why I said this wasn't going to go that much. Better get going. There's nobody behind
Bye.
you. Yeah, but there's not going to be any left. Well, let him get all the stuff off. Oh, we'll wipe that off. We don't want his tongue all over.
Look at this guy.
Can you have a little more?
He's pretty.
You can't do anything, Mom. There's a llama right
Well, just go slowly. Just go slowly.
Mom, not getting him out of the way.